Oh, that's real cool, man. Oh, I like this.
I'll tell you this much. It's a pretty little box. What's this idea? Ooh, okay. I'll call prep pad. Here are the JBL speakers. Some wire. Oh, this is the microphone. Cool. More wires, presume for charging. Another set of wires. Presume this will go into the Cardo somewhere. Don't want to look like an ass on TV, so I'll leave that for now until I figure it out. And this is the clamp, I guess. Maybe this way? Maybe this way? I'll figure it out before I film. Hopefully. Get an ultimate motorcycle experience. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. This is the box.
Cosplay cowgirls and numberless checks. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking a while, walking a while.
Got you, bugger.
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle.
You cheeky bugger. You're just a little bit too big.
You and me dancing on the Gideon time.
And now? Still too big. Alright. Cool. I need longer nails. Okay, your teeth will do the trick. If you don't come right there. Ha! Got you, bugger. Check this out. It's like they've just not given us enough length on the Cardo. It's like a couple centimeters short. So frustrating. There is this little guy. Apparently this one's better. Nice. Made a plan. You sneaky little hook. Bloody mess here, man. Jeepers creepers. Smells lovely.
Use the Cardo Connect app to activate the unit.
She's talking to me. She's talking to me.
Connect app to activate the unit.
Yes, Cardo, I heard you the first time. Don't stress me out while I'm busy doing this. Okay. Hey, Butchie.
Mission required. Please use the Cardo Connect app to activate the unit.